Clearing the unless confusion. First conditional. Hello, English language learners. Today we're going to tackle a tricky but essential topic, the word unless in first conditional sentences. The incorrect use of unless is a common mistake that many learners make. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use unless correctly, which will significantly improve your English grammar skills. Let's dive in. Unless is a conjunction used in English to indicate a certain condition. In the context of first conditional sentences, it generally means, if not. This can often be a source of confusion because its usage slightly differs from the conjunction, if. Let's illustrate this with an example. Consider these two sentences. 1. You'll be cold unless you wear a coat. 2. If you don't wear a coat, you'll be cold. Here, both sentences essentially mean the same thing. However, note that unless negates the condition, and we do not use a negative verb form after it. If is used with a negative verb form to express the same idea. The most common mistake that English learners make with unless is using it with a negative verb. For instance, consider the sentence, "You won't pass the test unless you don't study." This sentence is incorrect because unless is used with a negative verb, do not. Remember, unless already carries a negative implication, so using a negative verb with it is redundant and incorrect. The correct version of the sentence is, "You won't pass the test unless you study." In this sentence, unless correctly indicates the condition, if you do not study. To get a better grip on this concept, try practicing by converting sentences. Start with if and a negative verb, then rephrase it with unless. For example, if you don't save your work, you will lose it. You will lose your work unless you save it. The more you practice, the more intuitive this will become. And there you have it. Remember, unless means if not, and it should not be used with a negative verb. The common misuse of unless can be avoided with understanding and practice. We hope this video has been useful and illuminating for you. Keep practicing, and your English will continue to improve. See you in our next lesson.